Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1087 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.